Hey everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine, better. So last class we did some numericals on the mirror formula. I hope you got the mirror formula. Relation between the object distance, image distance and the focal length of that mirror. We find out magnification. Today's class again we will do some more numerical. Now in this part of the numericals I am taking, those are good for competitive kind of exam. So थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है. फॉर्मूला यू ऑल नो 1/v + 1/u = 1/f, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. थोड़ा सा तुमको सोचना होगा एंड यू नो बिकॉज दीज आर गुड एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द competitive exam as well as our exam also. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. And the first numerical is, see, an object is held at 30 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the convex mirror should a plane mirror be held so that the image in the two mirrors coincide with each other? So first thing bacha, I already told you about the plane mirror and the image formed by the plane mirror, that's characteristics, and both kind of the spherical mirror we also studied. So today's class, see, in this particular numerical what we will do, object is held at 30 centimeter, u is given -30 always. Last class also I told you हमेशा क्या होगा, because we are taking u always in the left hand side, so u is always negative, u is -30 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. Mirror is convex, focal length 15 centimeter. Convex mirror always have positive focal length and concave always have negative, so we are taking focal length positive 15 centimeter. These things are given. Now question, see what question is saying, at what distance from the convex mirror, this is a convex mirror like this, object is given somewhere here, for example यहाँ से यहाँ ये 30 centimeter, this is pole, okay, this thing is given यहाँ पे focus, this distance is for example how much given, 15 centimeter, okay, this distance is 15, focus if I am saying, so this is 15 centimeter given to us. These things are given to us. Now question is, at what distance from the convex mirror should a plane mirror be held? Convex mirror से कितनी दूर के ऊपर हम plane mirror रखें so that image in the two mirror coincide with each other, that the image formed by this mirror M1 and image formed by this mirror M2. Now one thing you all know, in case of the convex mirror we studied, image is always virtual and erect, so it will be this side. ठीक है, plane mirror के केस में हमने पढ़ा है at whatever the distance you know object will be there, at the same distance image will be there. So image in this case also will be this side, in this case also will be this side, but we don't know that at what position. So question वही है कि हमें find out करना है कि at what place we should put this plane mirror. इन दोनों यहाँ पे है object 30 centimeter distance पे, यहाँ पे है mirror. We need to put a plane mirror in between this place so that the image formed by this mirror and this mirror will be coincide, कि image एक ही position पे मिले. तो कैसे करना है, सबसे पहले हम लोग find out करेंगे image position by this convex mirror. That with the diagram again I will make. Just see. Firstly, we need to find out the distance of the image by the convex mirror. So we need to calculate. How we will calculate? We will use the mirror formula. So 1/v is equal to 1/f minus 1/u. I hope you got it. 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f. So 1/v will be what? 1/f minus 1/u. 1/f. Focal length is 15. Minus 1 minus from here plus 1/30. Okay. So take LCM. It will be 3/30, so 1/10, and when you will reciprocate, you will get v is equal to 10 centimeter. Now see bacha, this is the position of image formed by the convex mirror. Now we know it is plus 10 centimeter. It means behind the mirror and at 10 centimeter. Now we need to put, after this we need to put a plane mirror so that image formed. अब अभी हमें diagram बनाने की जरूरत है, ठीक है? So see, I am erasing this question. You can note down it by pausing your video. So see here, because by seeing the diagram only you can tell. See, this is a convex mirror. This is principal axis. This is pole. Somewhere here, if I am saying that focus is here or here, कहीं पे भी तुम अपनी तरफ से पॉइंट ले सकते हो. This distance is 15 centimeter given to us. Object is somewhere here and this distance is given 30 centimeter. Now image formed by convex mirror of this object is at 10 centimeter. For example यहाँ पे है वो image जो है I am writing with I, this is object. So this distance is 10 centimeter. Now listen बच्चा, according to the characteristics of the plane mirror. अब यहाँ पे तुम्हें characteristics पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. What is the characteristics? That if in case of the plane mirror the distance of the object is x from the plane mirror, so the distance of the image will also be x from the plane mirror. So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, image यहाँ पे है, image का distance object से कितना है 10, 30, total कितना है 40. So plane mirror हम कहाँ पे रखेंगे so that the distance of the object from the plane mirror should be equal to the distance of image from the plane mirror. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? It should be in the mid point. ये डिस्टेंस है टोटल, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ पे इमेज है, टोटल डिस्टेंस है 30 plus 10 40 सेंटीमीटर. We need to put a plane mirror in such a way that the distance of object from the plane mirror should be equal to the distance of image from the plane mirror. So 20 centimeter this side, 20 centimeter this side. So what we can tell that we will put plane mirror somewhere here. The distance from here 20 and यहाँ से यहाँ तक भी कितना होगा 20. I think you are getting. See, this thing is very important. So now question is asking the distance from the convex mirror, the distance of plane mirror from the convex mirror. So answer will be what? From the pole. See, this total distance was 30, this is 20, this will be what? 10 centimeter. So plane mirror we will put at 10 centimeter from the convex mirror so that the image formed by both the mirrors will be coincide. Again, see clearly there are two mirrors. फर्स्ट मिरर जो है वो कॉन्वेक्स है एंड ड्यू टू द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर द इमेज फॉर्म बिहाइंड द मिरर एंड दैट इज एट द 10 सेंटीमीटर वर्चुअल इरेक्ट. हमें सब कुछ फाइंड आउट किया, बहुत इजी था, कर लिया. क्वेश्चन में जो थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी पॉइंट है वो ये है कि तुम्हें प्लेन मिरर रखना है नियर बाय कॉन्वेक्स मिरर एंड यू नीड टू टेल द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर सो दैट इमेज फॉर्म बाय बोथ द मिरर्स विल कोइंसाइड. दोनों मिरर की वजह से ये यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में है. From this mirror and from this mirror, image should be at this point only. तो image को हम shift नहीं कर सकते. Now total distance is what? From object to image 40. तो plane mirror कहाँ पे रखेंगे? According to the plane mirror characteristics, the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. So we will put it in between, midpoint. So midpoint क्या होगा? 20 centimeter. यहाँ पे हम लोग plane mirror रखेंगे. Now see, after putting it here, the distance from the convex. Convex का distance कितना है? 10 centimeter. So that will be the answer. Okay. Now next question is, check out next question. An object is placed, question number 2, same way. An object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the pole of a convex mirror. Mirror is what kind of? Here, convex mirror. Okay. This is principal axis. This is pole. Object is at the distance 25 centimeter, somewhere here, and this is 25 centimeter. These things is given in the question. And a plane mirror is set at a distance of 5 centimeter from convex mirror. Plane mirror from the convex mirror यानी कि पोल से मेजर करेंगे at 5 centimeter. यहाँ से यहाँ तक if it is 5 centimeter, so here it is a plane mirror that is placed. This is given in question. Okay. Distance of 5 centimeter from the convex mirror so that the image formed by the two mirror do not have any parallax. But do not have any parallax, it means that image of both are coinciding. The same thing that was given in the last question. उसी को थोड़ा सा घुमा के दिया हुआ है. उस क्वेश्चन में हमें फोकल लेंथ गिवन था, हम लोगों को पोजीशन निकालना था इमेज का. इस क्वेश्चन में इन्होंने एक्चुअली हम लोगों को फोकल लेंथ पूछा है और पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज इज गिवन. कैसे गिवन है वो मैं बताती हूँ. सी ना. So what it is saying that the two mirrors do not have any parallax means उनमें कोई difference नहीं है, कोई change नहीं है, दोनों का image एक ही position पे है. So the focal length of the convex mirror is what? वो हमें calculate करना है. ठीक है. अभी मुझे बताओ u कितना है? u is equal to -25 centimeter. That thing is given from the convex. क्योंकि focal length किसका निकाल रहे हैं? Convex mirror का. So u is given. Now v we need to find out. कैसे find out करेंगे? See, if plane mirror is here and object is here, so the distance of the object from the plane mirror is what? 20 centimeter. Yes or no? Tell me. from the convex mirror, plane mirror is at the 5 centimeter. Object from the convex mirror is at 25. So object from the plane mirror is what? 25 minus 5. What is the distance? 20 centimeter. Now according to the characteristics of the plane mirror, the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. So due to this plane mirror, image will also be at the 20 centimeter. It's not looking like that it is 20. इसको थोड़ा और दूर बनाना है. See, like this. If this is 25, so this I can say that this is 20. Okay. If this side is 20 centimeter, so image will also be at the 20 centimeter. For example, this is the point where image is there. Due to the plane mirror, I am writing IP. So this is also at 20 centimeter. This is also at 20 centimeter. Now, if this distance is 5 centimeter, so this distance is what? 15 centimeter. Yes or no? Easy है. थोड़ा सा सोच के करोगे, बहुत आसान है, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो डिस्टेंस है प्लेन मिरर से वो कितना है 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो इमेज जो होगा फ्रॉम द प्लेन मिरर कितना होगा 20 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ दिस डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम पोल टू द प्लेन मिरर इज 5. सो जो डिस्टेंस आफ्टर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर जो बचेगा 5 के बाद कितना बचेगा 15 सेंटीमीटर. सो 15 सेंटीमीटर इज व्हाट? हम लोग कॉन्वेक्स स्फेरिकल मिरर्स जो है उनके केस में द डिस्टेंस दैट वी आर मेजर ऑलवेज फ्रॉम द पोल. सो फॉर द स्फेरिकल मिरर दिस कॉन्वेक्स मिरर डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज विल बी व्हाट? पोल से 5 तो यहाँ पे है, ये इतना साइड कितना बचा 15 सेंटीमीटर ना. सो बच्चा v कितना है 15 सेंटीमीटर प्लस. ठीक है, आई थिंक तुम लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन. सी if total distance of the object from the convex mirror was 25. Okay, this is given. Now we need to calculate focal length, but we don't know what is the distance of image from the convex mirror, but we know the characteristics of the plane mirror, that object and image distance both will be equal. Now this is given 5 centimeter from the pole. So ये 5 centimeter from the pole. So object से कितने distance के ऊपर है 20 centimeter. So plane mirror की वजह से जो image बनेगा that will also be at the 20 centimeter. Now this distance is 5. So this distance will be 15 centimeter. And for the convex mirror we always measure from the pole. So pole से जब हम right hand side में measure करेंगे image का distance कितना है 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. And it is given that two mirrors do not have any parallax. मतलब जो दोनों का image है वो coincide कर रहा है, एक ही place के ऊपर है. Okay. So अब यहाँ से तुम लोग focal length easily calculate कर सकते हो by what? Using mirror formula. So what is that? 1 by f हम लोगों को निकालना है. So 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by v is equal to plus 15 and plus. So minus from here minus 1 by 25. You can simply calculate it by taking LCM. 15 into 25 and this will be 25 minus 15 and it will be 10 by 15 into 25. So what is this? This is 1 by f. And when we will calculate f, so we will reciprocate. Reciprocate. So 15 into 25 divided by 10. ये हो गया. And this is what? 75 by 2. And बचा this is 37.5 centimeter. This will be the focal length of the mirror. Okay. So next question is interesting है ना? Next question see. See one more numerical. This is last numerical of the same kind. उसमें भी वही given है. Object is at the distance of 36 centimeter from a convex mirror. Plane mirror is placed 24 centimeter from the object. From the object this time. Find the radius of curvature of convex mirror. Now radius of curvature क्या है? Double of focal length. That thing we know. It means we need to find out the focal length and then we will multiply it with the 2 and we will get our answer. Okay. So now see बच्चा. This time what is given? U is given and the plane mirror is at 24 centimeter from the object. ये question में given है. So अगर ये 24 centimeter है तो image भी कहाँ पे होगा? 24 centimeter. Somewhere here. Due to the plane mirror जो image होगा वो और the same condition is given in this question also that image from both the mirror coincide. Okay. So this is also 24 centimeter. Now from the pole this distance is 36. This is 24. So ये वाला distance कितना बचेगा? ये जो distance है 36 minus 24 and it will be 12 centimeter. Okay, this thing 12 centimeter. Now this total is 24 and this is 12. So this is also 12 centimeter. I hope you got it. So अभी easy है बिल्कुल. U is given. V कितना है? Plus 12 centimeter. Focal length निकालो. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v 12 plus यहाँ पे minus है तो minus हो जाएगा 1 by 36. Solve करो. 2 by 36, and this will be 1 by f is equal to 1 by 18. When you will reciprocate, focal length is what? 18 बचा. And if you know focal length, so radius of curvature क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 18, 36 centimeter. This will be the answer. So I think अभी तुम्हें अगर इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आए that plane mirror is placed somewhere between there or at x distance or y distance whatever, and image from both the mirror coincide, so how you will calculate the focal length or the image distance and the radius of curvature, कुछ भी पूछेगा तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So now see the second kind of the questions. Next question, the image formed by a convex mirror of focal length 30 centimeter, focal length 30 centimeter, convex mirror positive, is a quarter of the object. Image formed by a convex mirror of focal length 30 centimeter is a quarter of object. जो उसका distance है image का वो quarter of the object distance है. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? So let distance of object from mirror, distance of object from mirror is x. So distance of object from mirror is x. So distance of image from mirror is what? X by 4 or not? Yes or no? Yes. So distance of object from mirror यानी कि u is है minus x, u is equal to v is equal to x by 4. f हम लोगों को given है. Now we will use the formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So when we will use the formula 1 by v, x by 4 will go this side plus, but यहाँ पे माइनस है उसकी वजह से माइनस होगा 1 by u x is equal to 1 by f is what? 30 centimeter. Take LCM बचा 4 minus 1, this is 3 by x is equal to 1 by 30. Cross multiply, x is equal to 90 centimeter. So what we can say, the distance of the object from the mirror is what? 90 centimeter, and this will be in the left hand side. It will be left hand side. Okay, 1 by v, yeah, plus 1 by u, so minus x. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so what will be the distance of the object? It will be 90 centimeters from the convex mirror. Now see the next question. Next question, image formed by a concave mirror. Okay, finally concave mirror comes in picture. Concave mirror of focal length 6 centimeter is 3 times of the object. Then the distance of object from the mirror is, see bacha, you all know what is m? It is minus v by u. Magnification, that is height of image divided by height of object, or you can say distance of the image divided by distance of the object with minus sign. Magnification. So here given image formed by concave mirror of focal length 6 centimeter. So focal length is given minus 6 centimeter. Concave mirror है, convex mirror positive focal length, concave mirror negative focal length. So minus 6 is given. Is 3 times of the object, then the distance of object from the mirror. So 3 times magnification हम लोगों को given है 3 minus v by u. So from here you can simply say v is equal to what? Minus 3 u. This thing is given from the question. Now apply the mirror formula 1 by v minus 3u plus 1 by u. U to u is equal to 1 by f minus 6. So from here we can calculate the u. How we will calculate? See, take LCM. It will be u and this side, okay, 3u it will be, and then it will be minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 6. From here it will be 2 by 3u and this side minus 1 by 6. So cross multiply, 6 to the 12 divided by 3, u will go this side minus u. So 3 4 ja 14, and yes, u is equal to what? Minus 4. So distance of the object from the mirror is what? Minus 4 centimeter. You know this kind of the questions now you can solve easily. Okay, so first kind of the question what we did, that the plane mirror wala part, and the second if the magnification is given or the ratio of distance of object and image is given, so you can calculate the focal length. Now see the next kind of questions. The next kind of the questions that will come in exam. A 5 centimeter high object, 5 centimeter, this is actually height, मैं पहले लिखना भूल गई थी. 5 centimeter high object, it means HO is given. Object का height कितना given है? 5 centimeter. Positive sign why? Because it is always on the upper side of the principal axis. Height of object 5 centimeter. Placed in front of a concave mirror. with a radius of curvature 20 centimeter. You all know बच्चा f is equal to r by 2. Radius of curvature कितना है 20. 20 divided by 2 it will be 10 but minus 10. Why minus 10? Because it is concave mirror. Concave mirror है, so that's why it will be minus 10 centimeter. Determine the image height. We need to find out height of image. If the object distance is 5 centimeter, 15, 20, 30. Now see, I will do 1 out of these 4 and 3 will be homework for you. You need to do it in the same way. So first part, the object distance, first part if you will do object distance u minus 5 centimeter. Okay, this is given. Focal length कितना है? Minus 10 centimeter. Calculate v from here. So v के लिए क्या use करोगे? Mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. We can write 1 by f minus 10 minus minus plus 1 by 5. Take LCM 10 minus 1 plus 2. It will be 1 by 10. And when we will reciprocate, v is equal to 10 centimeter. समझी? v का वैल्यू कितना है हमारे पास यहाँ से 10 centimeter. Now we all know magnification. हम लोगों को height of image निकालना है. M is equal to what? Height of image by height of object, and this is also equal to minus v by u. So firstly, now we know v and we know u. So by putting v and u, we can calculate m. After that, we know height of object. So height of image we can calculate. Okay. So what we will do? M will be what? Minus v 10 by u. U is what? Minus 5. So minus minus plus and 2. So magnification is plus 2. Now put magnification value here. So 2 is equal to height of image divided by height of object. Height of object is what bacha? This is equal to sign 5 centimeter. It will always be positive. 5. So यहाँ से height of image कितना आएगा? 5 to 10 centimeter. So image जो है that will be 10 centimeter. It is positive. Positive mean it will be virtual and erect. Okay. अगर height of image negative आता है, it means it is real and inverted. So this was the first case. Same way, now you will take u is equal to minus 15, then u is equal to minus 20, then u is equal to minus 30 centimeter, and then calculate the height of image. This is for your homework. Okay. Now see the next question. Next numerical. A 1 centimeter high object is placed 10 centimeter from a concave mirror with the focal length 15 centimeter. Determine the image distance, image height, and properties of the image formed by the concave mirror. Okay, let's get started. First part is what? The thing that is given to us, height of object, HO, is given 1 centimeter. It will be positive. 10 centimeter from a concave mirror is placed 10 centimeter from a concave mirror with the focal length. So U is also given minus 10 centimeter. Okay, now focal length of concave mirror again minus 15 centimeter. These things are given. So firstly we need to calculate image distance. It means we need to calculate V. Then we need to calculate height of image. And then the properties. Properties means कि real है, virtual है, erect है, inverted है, वो सब कुछ हम बता रहे हैं. ठीक है? So use mirror formula. सबसे पहले mirror formula we will use. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. 1 by F बचा minus 15. 1 negative is here and U is minus 10. 1 negative is from here. So plus 10. So यहाँ से take LCM. It will be minus 10 plus 15. It will be plus 5 by 150. So 1 by 30. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30. So V is equal to what? Plus 30 centimeter. Now see bacha, V is equal to plus 30. If this is your concave mirror and pole is here. So from the pole, now this is plus 30. So this side and this side is image is always virtual and erect. तो एक प्रॉपर्टी तो हमें यहीं से पता लग गया कि v is equal to plus 30 साइन. प्लस और माइनस साइन से हम लोग बता सकते हैं. If it was minus, so it was real and inverted. If it is plus, so it will be virtual and erect. Now we need to calculate height of image. अभी height of image के लिए हम लोगों को m पता होना चाहिए. m के लिए we know v and u both. So again what we will do? m is equal to minus v. v कितना है 30 divided by u. u है minus 10. So minus minus plus. And it will be plus 3. Magnification is plus 3. Now magnification is plus 3. Put here 3 into h naught is equal to mi. Sorry, not mi, hi, height of image. So 3 and h naught कितना है 1 centimeter. 3 into 1. So height of image कितना आया बच्चा 3 centimeter. So first part answer 30 centimeter, second part answer 3 centimeter, and the third part it is virtual, erect and enlarged in size. क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज कितना था 1 centimeter, इमेज का साइज कितना है 3 centimeter. So it is larger than the height of object and it is we can say 3 times the height of object. Okay, so these kind of the questions also come. This one is very simple. कुछ भी नहीं है. आई डिडंट राइट द कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन क्योंकि ज्यादा स्पेस लेता. सी क्वेश्चन है कि डेंटिस्ट इज सीइंग हिज पेशेंट एंड बाय यूजिंग अ मिरर दैट फोकल नॉट फोकल लेंथ द रेडियस ऑफ द मिरर इज गिवन 8 centimeter. We need to tell what should be the distance between the patient teeth and the mirror so that doctor can see the hole or the cavity in the teeth clearly. उसको clearly उसका image दिखाई दे तो उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए. So there was the 4 options in that question, that greater than the 4 centimeter or the less than the 4 centimeter or in between that or none of the above. These kind of the 4 options were there. So question में सबसे पहले तो doctor is using a mirror of radius 8 centimeter. पहले मुझे बताओ कि कौन सा mirror use करेगा. Concave mirror. With the help of the concave mirror we can see the enlarged image, so that's why doctor will use that. Okay, अब मुझे बताओ focal length कितना होगा इसका. Focal length is radius divided by 2, so it will be 4 centimeter. It is a concave mirror, so focal length will be negative. यहाँ से हम लोगों को focal length पता है. Negative sign shows the distance that from pole to the left or pole to the right. Okay, focal length is 4 centimeter. What is the distance between the patient's teeth and the mirror? तो distance कितना होना चाहिए. Concave mirror के केस में बच्चा एक ही केस ऐसा था. The last case was when the object is placed between the pole and the focus. In that case only the image was virtual and it was enlarged. So that's why what we can say, object distance should be less than 4 centimeter. Less than 4 centimeter in front of the mirror. In front of mirror, concave mirror. Okay, so this will be the answer. These kind of the question can answer. Okay, okay. One more question is there. See this question. A spherical mirror produce an image has size 5 times greater than the object. It means what is given? Magnification. 5. It is given because it is clearly saying produce an image has size 5 times greater than the object on a screen. 5 meter away from the object. Spherical mirror produce an image 5 meter away from the object. It means distance between object and image. Distance between object, यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि डिस्टेंस किसकी है, ऑब्जेक्ट की या इमेज की. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज गिवन. क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग द मिरर, उसका नेम बताओ एंड द फोकल लेंथ. तो सबसे पहले तो यहाँ से क्लियर है जो इमेज बन रहा है दैट इज 5 टाइम्स ग्रेटर एंड लार्ज इमेज, एंड दिस इज नॉट इन द केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, इट इज ओनली इन कॉनकेव मिरर. सो व्हाट यू कैन से, बिकॉज द इमेज formed by this mirror is enlarged 5 times greater, so what will be the answer? It will be concave mirror. So answer is concave. ये हो गया. Now we need to calculate the focal length. अभी focal length के लिए we will apply the formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. But now we don't know what is v, what is u. So यहाँ का distance है, this is the between object and image. So let consider, let distance of object from the mirror, distance of object from mirror is u, from mirror is u. So v is equal to what? u plus 5. That is only given. So अगर हमने उसको u consider किया है, so u plus 5 क्या है? v है. Now apply the formula 1 by v is equal to u plus 5 plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. And focal length is what? It is given or not? No, this so we need to calculate. Okay. So from here we can say, yeah, but this thing is given, m is equal to 5. So u को कैसे calculate करेंगे? See, to calculate the u we will not apply this formula. इससे नहीं होगा. हम लोग ये अप्लाई करते हैं. m is equal to minus v by u. Now we know m is equal to 5 minus v u plus 5 divided by u. So from here we can do multiply, and what will be that? It will be this side 5u. 5u is equal to minus u plus 5. This will be 6u. That is equal to 5 by 6. Oh, sorry. 6u is equal to 5 and u will be 5 by 6. Now you know the u, so you can put the value here in case of m only. M is 5, u now you know 5 by 6, so you can calculate the v, and after calculating v you can calculate the focal length. See bacha, we did a little mistake in this question by taking sign. What I was saying that u is the distance of object and v is the distance of image, and what is given here in question, totally given distance between u and v, or we can say distance between object and image. See mistake कहाँ पे क्या वो मैं बता देती हूँ, माइनस साइन के लिए is 5 centimeter. This thing is given. So let us consider u is the distance of object. Distance of object. Distance of object is u, and distance of image कितना हो जाएगा? u plus 5. This thing is given. This thing is given. Now we need to apply formula m is equal to minus v by u. Now see बच्चा here. This question, what it is saying? कौन सा mirror है? Concave mirror, because it is forming enlarged, and enlarged image magnification is 5 plus 5. So it means it is virtual and erect also. Virtual means it will be, if this is a concave mirror, so enlarged, erect, virtual, it is this side. So v will be what? Positive, and u this side negative. तो यहाँ पे यही हम लोगों ने मिस्टेक किया, u को नेगेटिव लेना है दिस साइड, डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. बस ये छोटा सा मिस्टेक था. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, m is equal to 5, and see छोटे से मिस्टेक से कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो जाता है. सो m is equal to what? 5 given in the question माइनस v. v कितना है? u plus 5. u plus 5. This is in the right hand side, तो पॉजिटिव ही होगा, डिवाइडेड बाय u. नाउ u हम लोगों ने कंसीडर किया है कि u हम लोग कंसीडर कर रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस को, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज इन द लेफ्ट, सो इट विल बी माइनस u. दिस वाज द इशू. बस जो अभी हम लोगों ने सोल्व किया ना, उसमें हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव साइन लिया, उस वजह से आंसर में मिस्टेक आ रहा है. सो यहाँ पे माइनस एंड दिस विल बी प्लस, सो इट विल बी 5u is equal to u plus 5. Take u this side, it will be 4u is equal to 5, and u will be 5 by 4. Now you know the object, it is 5 by 4, and it is this side, so minus 5 by 4. Okay, now v will be what? See, अभी आप अगर ऐसे बोलोगे ना कि मैम यहाँ पे माइनस साइन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, दैट माइनस इज फॉर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. डायरेक्शन इज इन द लेफ्ट और द राइट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ही हमने स्टार्टिंग में कंसीडर कर लिया था, इट वाज माइनस u. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5 by 4. यहाँ पे अगर माइनस नहीं आ रहा है तो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं है. जैसे हम लोग क्वेश्चन में जब देते हैं दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड 10 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर, ठीक है, सो 10 सेंटीमीटर गिवन होता है ना, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना होता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज इन लेफ्ट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नेगेटिव. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 5 by 4. नाउ इमेज विल बी व्हाट? u plus 5. सो 5 by 4 and plus 5. So you can find out it also. It will be 25 by 4. This will be the distance of image. This is the distance of object. And now how you will calculate the focal length? By using the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So you can calculate the focal length of this mirror also. Okay. So now see the last question. So this is last question of our today's class. See बच्चा, and quite important question. आज जितने भी क्वेश्चन किए ना सभी इंपॉर्टेंट है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप के थे. कुछ क्वेश्चंस तो एग्जाम में भी आते हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में भी आते हैं. सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड्स. सी सीधा प्लेस्ड अ पेंसिल परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कन्वर्जिंग मिरर. कौन सा है? कॉनकेव मिरर. ओके, ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 30 सेंटीमीटर. द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज ट्वाइस द साइज ऑफ द पेंसिल. कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर. अभी मेरी बात सुनो, बच्चे जनरली क्या करते हैं जब वो इस क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट करते हैं, कन्वर्जिंग मिरर, सो व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल टेक ओनली वन केस. दे विल टेक m is equal to h I divided by h o, यानी कि height of image divided by height of object, that is given 2 to us. So m is equal to 2, and then they will solve the complete question. Now see बच्चा, this is concave mirror and we don't know the position of object कि कहाँ पे है. And in case of the concave mirror there are two things, real image also and virtual image also. Virtual last case में बनता है, but बनता है. So that's why here in this case what we will consider, both the image we will consider, that for the real image and for virtual image. क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कि ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे है, तो दोनों इमेज पॉसिबल है. दैट डिपेंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो अगर रियल इमेज है तो m हमेशा क्या होता है, वहां पे नेगेटिव होता है, और वर्चुअल इमेज है तो m हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट भी करेंगे, सो m इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, m इज इक्वल टू माइनस v बाई u. एंड दिस इज गिवन हाउ मच. कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हो? हाइट ऑफ इमेज डिवाइडेड बाय हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 2 टाइम्स है, सो m इज इक्वल टू 2. So this 2 is positive also and this 2 is negative also because we don't know कि ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस कहाँ है. तो तुम्हें दोनों केस लेने हैं, बस ये चीज याद रखनी है. उसके बाद सिंपल है, तो आंसर 2 आएंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस 2 आएगी. ठीक है बच्चा. अगर क्वेश्चन में कहीं स्पेसिफाई होता है ना, द इमेज फॉर्म बाय द कन्वर्जिंग मिरर इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड और द इमेज फॉर्म बाय द वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, तो तुम उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक केस कर सकते हो. बट यहाँ पे हमें नहीं दिया हुआ है, so we will consider both the cases. So here m will be minus v by u minus 2 क्योंकि हम रियल इमेज कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. So from here when we will calculate, negative sign cancel, v is equal to 2u. In this case when we will take m is equal to minus v by u is equal to positive 2. So v is equal to minus 2u. This case, okay. Now what we will do? We will apply mirror formula in both the cases. Focal length कितना given है बच्चा? 30 centimeter. And because it is concave mirror, so focal length is minus 30 centimeter. Okay. So apply mirror formula this part and this part. दोनों solve करते हैं. So 1 by v is equal to what? 2u plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f minus 30. So यहाँ से हो जाएगा ये 2 plus 1. This will be 3 by u and sorry. Should be like this. 1 plus 2 divided by minus 1 by 30. So from here it will be 3 by 2u and it will be minus 1 by 30. So cross multiply करो. u is equal to 90 divided by 2 negative 45. So u is equal to minus 45 centimeter. Negative is what? अगर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नहीं कंसीडर करते, यहाँ से नेगेटिव लेके चलते तो वो प्लस में आंसर आ जाता. वो सेम ही चीज है, उससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सिर्फ डायरेक्शन हमें बताता है. तो u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 45 सेंटीमीटर इन दिस केस. इन दिस केस व्हाट विल हैपन अगेन 1 बाय v माइनस 2u प्लस 1 बाय u इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय f. और पता है बच्चा यहाँ पे क्योंकि जो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन था उसमें मैंने u स्टार्टिंग में नेगेटिव लिया था, जब हम लोगों को डिस्टेंस नहीं पता था, तो वी कंसीडर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज u, डिस्टेंस ऑफ द इमेज इज u प्लस 5 जो हमने कंसीडर किया था, एंड वेयर वी वर कंसीडरिंग u एज नेगेटिव क्योंकि वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेते हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही वो साइन कंसीडर कर लिया है दैट m इज नेगेटिव फॉर द रियल इमेज, वहां पे वो कंसीडर हो चुका है, एंड m इज पॉजिटिव फॉर द वर्चुअल इमेज. सो नो नीड टू बी कंफ्यूज कि मैम उस क्वेश्चन में तो u को नेगेटिव लिया था, यहाँ पे u को नेगेटिव नहीं लिखा है, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी कंसीडर इट इन दिस केस, m के केस में. ठीक है. सो u माइनस 45 यहाँ से करेंगे 1 बाय f. f इज व्हाट बच्चा? माइनस 30 सेंटीमीटर, माइनस 30. सो अगेन वी विल सोल्व दिस. इट विल बी माइनस 1 प्लस 2 एंड माइनस 1 बाई 30. सो ये आएगा हमारे पास 1 बाई 2u इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बाई 30. सोल्व करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो u इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? माइनस 15 सेंटीमीटर. So if the distance of object is minus 15 centimeter, in this case image will be virtual, magnification will be positive and it will be 2 times. But यहाँ पे एक और केस पॉसिबल है कि अगर u minus 45 सेंटीमीटर, उस केस में रियल इमेज होगा, अगेन मैग्निफिकेशन 2 टाइम्स, बट यहाँ पे रियल इमेज होगी, यहाँ पे वर्चुअल होगी. सो अगर इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन है और वहाँ पे ये मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ है कौन के मिरर में होंगी, इन केस ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर यू ऑल नो इमेज इज ऑलवेज वर्चुअल, तो वहाँ पे 2 केसेस होंगे ही नहीं. लेकिन यहाँ पे कॉन्केव मिरर है और ये नहीं बता रहे हैं दैट द इमेज इज रियल और वर्चुअल, सो वी नीड टू टेक बोथ द केसेस. रिमेंबर दिस. ओके. सो आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही, एंड आई होप दैट यू एंजॉय टुडेज क्लास. क्वेश्चंस वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो प्लीज ट्राई मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स, एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो सो प्लीज प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. प्रेस दैट बेल आइकन ऑल्सो, ओके, सो दैट यू गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस. अभी जो नेक्स्ट जो अपना लेक्चर होगा दैट विल बी द रिफ्रैक्शन. मिरर पार्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. प्लेन मिरर, मिरर फॉर्मूला, स्फेरिकल मिरर्स, देयर यूजेस इन डेली लाइफ, सो वो सब कुछ हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. देयर वर 2 वीडियोस ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल. दिस इज दिस वन एंड द लास्ट वन ऑल्सो. सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस मोर न्यूमेरिकल बाय योरसेल्फ, एंड नाउ वी विल मूव टू द रिफ्रैक्शन इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. So till the time, just be enjoy and be healthy, happy. Take care of your family, take care of your surrounding, your nature. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.